This is a short video lecture on ecological succession. You should have already made a copy of the notes to follow along. Please pause when you need to in order to read a slide or highlight what I have highlighted. You are going to be responsible for being able to compare each type of ecological succession. You will need to identify which type is happening if you are given a diagram or a scenario, and you also need to be able to put the steps in order. So ecological succession is a predictable series of changes that occur in a community over time. So remember that a community is going to include all of the populations in a given area. We are going to talk about two types of succession: primary succession and secondary succession. We are going to start with primary succession. So the important thing to note here is that primary succession is going to occur on land where no soil exists. So you are looking for exposed rock. The other thing about primary succession is that it's a long process. You're going to start with a pioneer species. That's the first species to populate the area. It's often lichens, which is a symbiotic relationship between fungi and algae. It kind of looks like crusty rock. So if you've ever been on a mountain or a bare rock exposed area, and you look down and the rocks seem to have either like a yellow or a white or a greenish crust on them, those are lichens. Okay. And over time, more species will inhabit, and you'll eventually get to a climax community, which is the final stage of succession. And think of a forest. That's a climax community. Okay, so we're going to take a look at a diagram where you can see this. Things to note: here's your exposed rock. And the other thing that we should note is that, look at this. We get to our climax community, but it took 100 years to get there. So a pretty long time. Compare that then with secondary succession. Secondary succession is going to occur in an existing ecosystem. So we are not starting with bare rock. So think of a wildfire. It comes through and it burns part of the forest, but you're still left with dirt. You are left with grass. It's burned, but there's grass and there's roots. And so we're not starting from the very beginning. And because of this, it is going to happen faster because we're not starting from the very beginning. So if you take a look at the diagram for secondary succession, you can see that we get back to our climax community a lot quicker. Okay, so on your test, you're going to have to be able to compare those things. But the biggest hint that you will be talking about secondary as opposed to primary is you should look for the grass, the shrubs, the dirt. If it's not exposed rock, it's secondary succession. And that is what I'm going to tell you to look for. And that is the short and sweet lecture on ecological succession.